Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix if your Snapchat is having problems while signing up your account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if you're having the similar problem, just simply open your Snapchat application and this page will appear. And from here, you can log in or sign up to your new account in Snapchat. Now, if you're signing up directly from the Snapchat, it will ask for your names and everything, and if this option is not working, you should try to sign up with the Google and your problem might be fixed. But if both of the option doesn't work, there might be some other issue. It might be the outdated app version, the internet connection, and the cluttered cache of your Snapchat application. In order to solve this issue, first of all, you have to check your internet connection if it's connected properly or not. And if it's connected properly and the problem is still not getting solved, just simply go to your settings application and from there go to app settings, and into the app settings simply search for the Snapchat application. And when you find the Snapchat application, simply open that and first of all click to the force stop and force stop your Snapchat application. Now go to the storage setting and into here you will get the option to clear the cache. Just simply click to clear cache option into here, and if the problem still doesn't get solved, you should wait for some times and try to sign up again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.